Today is Sunday, here at trying to pick out a paint job and pick up some tools. Back from the hardware store, got a bunch of tools from and just getting ready to go ahead and degrease the top of the bus so that I can go ahead and put the bus coat on it. Unfortunately, the woman at the hardware store said that they would not be able to add tint or dye to the paint that I want to go ahead and use on the bus. The top I was already planning on just doing white and doing a different color on the bottom anyway. Maybe we'll try a different place to get pigmentation, and if we're not able to do that, I keep saying we, it's me. If I'm not able to do that, I'll go ahead and maybe just paint over it. So do the white bus coat and then maybe do another color after that. I know spray can is very popular with people with Skoolies, so to speak, but we'll see. I have this cleaner and degreaser. It's like $6, somewhere between $6 and $10. I can't remember. I think it's $6. Might be 10. Could be 10. The roof is mostly clean. There was a lot of dirt that came off. So now it's time to just put it in the sun, let it bake a little bit. And after it's done, I'll go ahead and bring it back and start painting the top. Sorry, I'm a little out of breath. Bus is dry, and right now my friend Samantha and I are taking off rust on the passenger side because yesterday we only did the driver's side. Now I'm about to head up to the top of the roof to start painting, and I'm using this right here coming from, I think, in Melbourne, Florida. Hopefully it works really well. Most of the bus is done. Right now it is looking like that. Maybe better view there. This bus coat stuff goes a long way. The recommended brush size or nap is what is it? No, 3/4 to 1 1. The recommended nap size is 3/4 to 1.5 inches. Honestly, I think that's just to get you to buy more of this bus coat stuff. Just starting to tape off the rear windows here. I'm planning on getting white all the way down to about here or so. Then maybe another color after that. That'll be a little bit more difficult to do, but it's all part of the process. It's part of the fun. I'm currently taking a break, sitting on one of the removed bus seats. Big shout out to Caleb, who happens to be my best friend, and his wife Samantha, who is my friend that was helping me out earlier. Right now, they are currently working as a husband and wife team to try and remove the rest of these seats, and these do have seat belts, as you can tell. I am working on painting around the windows. I can show you right here. See, taping off those areas to paint around the windows. I'm just taking a really quick break, drinking a little bit of nondescript sports beverage mix. In the middle of taping, and the sky is starting to look like this. Let me find the bad part. Over there, all that gray. All that gray. We went to a nondescript quick service style burrito manufacturing facility and got some manufactured burritos. We're in the bus and we're underneath an awning for a bank. Uninstalling some seats. No, you can't be in the video. That's Caleb. Uninstalling seats and also just kind of checking out general stuff in the bus that I haven't seen before. It's been pretty good so far.